Good boy. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang.
Not silent. Right now, mukbang. Mukbang. Get it right.
We have McDonald's, and we have sauce, McChicken, and spicy ramen.
Oh. Yes. Not gonna have taste buds after this.
So today we're going to be doing the mukbang.
Mukbang.
We're doing a mukbang, and we have a lot of stuff here to eat, and we're going to talk about stuff.
Do you dip your nuggets in sauce or no sauce? Sauce. That's the only right answer.
We have honey mustard and sweet and sour. Oh, this is the ramen.
My lips are tingling. Her brother made us get him the new shake and it tastes like poop.
It doesn't taste good.
Uh-uh.
I think it's like blue raspberry or something, or cotton candy. It tastes like cotton candy.
Something like that.
Yum.
Bruh.
Yummy.
Are you so excited for the band meeting tonight?
No! We have a band meeting, and we're gonna yap our ear off.
Mm-mm.
We're starting school next month.
Nope. Mm-mm.
On the second, my bad, wall. Starting school on the second, and I have all my supplies ready.
I don't.
There's a video coming out soon. Where's my boss? My boss.
I got yelled at on the bike ride over here by old man.
Yeah.
Wait a damn minute. What?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But there's a cop right across the street that flagged me to go. So I went, and then the car coming, like, beeped his horn and then rolled down his window.
People are so dumb.
And then the cop started chasing him and ran his plate.
That was the honeymoon. I'm gonna put a clip of that. Is it
It almost made me choke.
destroys the honeymoon. Yummy. I'm gonna put a clip of that in the video.
Huh?
I'm gonna put a clip of that in the video.
Oh, gosh.
Sure.
It's like a bite left.
Damn, scarfed it back down.
I said there's a bite left. I watched this one mukbang where she was eating Chinese food. She goes, I'm a sneeze, and sneezed right on her food.
Ew.
I mean, it's her food, but ew.
Is he gonna cook? It kind of cooks. He kind of lost it. Oh, kind of cooked. Oh, na na na.
This Biggie only has one chicken nugget.
Oh, na na na.
Half this video is gonna be us staring into space.
Think about so I just did that.
When you make a picture.
A pig shirt?
A picture.
thumbnail?
Yes.
We should do that before we ate.
Whoopsie.
Wait, we can just pretend.
Yeah. What?
I can just clip it.
Bloop.
Or just...
Ate it all.
Yeah, it's all gone.
We're big.
I ate them. Empty.
She's empty. She's basically empty. And she's empty. Bye.